Trump's gold card immigration program. So, Trump, towards the end of 2025, created by executive order this visa program called the Gold Card. And this is by executive order, so not with congressional approval. It didn't go through Congress. And then in December, the Immigration Service posted the forms to apply for this Trump Gold Card. Okay, so the Gold Card basically is a new US immigration pathway to get a green card through significant financial contributions. So, other green card categories, other than the EB-5, require some merit based um, requirements. But this one, and like I mentioned, the EB-5 is another investment type path to a green card. This is a gold card by making highly like substantial monetary contributions. Okay, I'll talk about that in a minute. But so the forms were posted in December, and the application process requires that you register at trumpcard.gov. And this is the kicker. The fee to apply. This is just the filing fee. So the fee to apply is 15,000 per person. So if you're applying um, with for yourself, your spouse, and maybe two children, it's 15,000 per person. So 15,000 times 4 is the filing fee. And then it's also non-refundable. So this is just to apply. And then so you complete this form, it's online. Then you and your family will undergo a very rigorous background check. And then after passing the background check, then you pay this. I think they're calling it a gift. So you pay this gift to the U.S. So you've paid your filing fees, and then you go through this background check, and then you pay the gift to get the gold card. So what is the gift? So for one person, the gift or the amount you have to transfer to the U.S. government is 1 million per person. Okay, so let's dig into this a little bit. So if you're a family of four wanting to come to the US through this US Visa Gold Card Trump program, you're a family of four, you've paid 16,000 in just the filing fees, and now it's another million per person. So 4 million for your family to get this gold card. Okay, so what? Okay, so what are the concerns with this program? I mean, of course, it's new. There's no history. We don't really know much about the process. And the fees are non-refundable, and they're exorbitant. To pay that amount, it's non-refundable, raises concerns. And this gold card is not actually a new immigrant visa category. So those of you in the green card process or you're researching, you know that there are different employment-based visa categories, right? There's the EB-1, EB2, EB3, and so forth. This is not a new category. This is a program within the existing category. So, um, yeah, we don't know then which unit in the Immigration Service will be reviewing these gold card applications. Will it be in the EB5 program, um, or that unit, I should say? And so the EB5, as I mentioned before, is an investor immigrant visa program. Also, additionally, what raises concern is, so you do have to disclose all your financial documents, your employment history going decades back. And so if you're okay, you go through all of this, you pay all that money, you go through the vetting, the scrutiny, the waiting, and what happens if your case is denied? There's no refund. Um, so we'll start to get more and more information about this gold card. Right now, there's what I'm seeing just raises a lot of concerns. And keep in mind, again, this is an executive order. It hasn't gone through Congress. And so there are limits. There are limits to what the Trump administration can do with this visa program. We have heard that there will be, and I posted about this in another video, that there will be changes to the EB1 and EB2 visa categories. So stay tuned. Stay tuned to learn more about the gold card. Stay tuned to learn about the upcoming changes that are expected in the EB1 and EB2 visa categories. And as always, please subscribe to my channel.